leggings. These are almost like very thick stockings. They're like, I don't know. These are also kind of hard to get into. If you are any thicker than me, I do not recommend these for you. These were hard enough for me to get in. And yeah, they are very flattering on, and they are very thick, and they're not see-through clearly. Next, we have the Over It biker set, biker short set. I love these. Like, they feel good, they look good. Like, do y'all see this? Feel like a city girl. But yeah, it's not too much. I like it. It fits really well, and the material is actually way nicer than I thought it would be. And it's very, very stretchy. So yeah, they are cute though. It is super comfortable. It's not as nice as my Shein ones. I will say that. My Shein sweatsuits were like super soft, super comfortable. The material was really, really good. This material is fine, but it's not as nice. So it reminds me of like a Chanel bag, and I just really like that. It's, you know, I can put it over, do like a crossbody, or I can, you know, rock it as a simple little handbag. It's just super cute. And I know after this haul, I'm gonna see all you ladies with this bag because it's super, super cute. These being like more like baggy jeans on me, because I've been liking like the baggy jean look anyway. So these look pretty good. I like them. Oh, and I did try on my shoes that I got from them, the sneakers. They're kind of like that chunky sneaker look. I wouldn't wear that with this outfit. I would wear some cute little heels with these, or some boots maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But yes, I definitely like these. This is one of the bags I got. It has like a little purse, a little mini purse in front of it as well. I'm assuming it's for change or cards or something, but it's pretty cute. Smaller than I usually like my handbags to be, but cute. This little beauty right here is my favorite new bag. Y'all probably gonna see me with this bitch every day, everywhere. This like a teddy bag. I love it. It's beautiful. Just like, just gorgeous. But these are, you know, these are very like nice. They look very flattering is the word. Okay, they're very flattering jeans. I don't like how it kind of squishes my booty in though. It's not great in that aspect, but I'm sure the more I wear them and stretch them and stuff, they'll get looser. But yes, these are pretty good. Again,